गुरुवार को त्रिपुरा उच्च न्यायालय के बार एसोसिएशन के सम्मेलन हॉल में बार एसोसिएशन की ओर से एक स्वागत समारोह दिया गया। मुख्य न्यायाधीश इंद्रजीत मोहंती स्वागत समारोह में उपस्थित थे। उच्च न्यायालय के न्यायमूर्ति सुभाषिष तालापत्र, उच्च न्यायालय के न्यायमूर्ति अरिंदम लोध, महाधिवक्ता और उच्च न्यायालय के अन्य वकील और बार एसोसिएशन के अधिकारी उपस्थित थे। हाईकोर्ट के मुख्य न्यायाधीश का स्वागत करने के बाद स्वागत समारोह में मुख्य न्यायाधीश इंद्रजीत मोहंती ने पहले उनके करियर का मुद्दा उठाया और फिर सभी से मिलकर काम करने का विनम्र अनुरोध किया।
Is that not only is your court, our court, a full court now, with full strength, we have to now serve the litigant public with full vigor and with due amount of time given to each one of you in order to give justice to the poor. Demand on us, we are with you. Demand from us, we will come to your aid in whatever way law can provide assistance. I am an extremely proud person to have come to Tripura. I remain a lawyer in heart and soul, and I all wish you all the very best. That's not anything you can hope for. I am not used to any of these formal occasions. So when the Honorable President invited me, and my brother Justice Ward also, I am sure, I requested him and I said, please make it an occasion where we can interact, we can meet, we can talk, we can express each other to the best way possible and without incurring any expenditure. Because the money which you all collect is from hard-earned money which you all have earned, and we all need that money for all the purposes life has got. My only message to all of you is, we have very few cases here. That means two things. That people in Tripura are very happy, which is an extremely positive thing. And there's a second thing, which is also possible, and I think more this true, that people of Tripura are unable and cannot afford to come to the High Court. That is where I request the President and all the members of the bar, you have to reach out, and we have nobody to reach out except through the councils and through the lawyer community. Reach out to places, reach out to your colleagues in the district, reach out to places where people are not getting what is rightfully due to them. So we have a challenge here. And the greatest challenge here is, we are in full strength. My request, advice, with folded hands is, through the councils, through the lawyer community, reach out to the poorest of the poor, most neediest persons, and bring them into the access of justice. My learned brother has been working tirelessly over these years, ever since our High Court has been constituted here. I know the effort is